Good morning, children. Now let's see the workbook part. So first one is answer the following questions. This is conceptual understanding, children. So first question is, what are the two main parts of a plant? So you know that the two main parts of a plant are root and shoot. Shoot is otherwise called as stem, children. So here you know that root absorbs water and mineral salts, and shoot acts as, here see, shoot mainly gives the water and mineral salts to the leaf and also supplies the food from the leaf to the remaining parts of a plant. So that is why the two main parts of a plant are root and shoot. Okay. Second one, how does the root help a plant? How does root help a plant? So in what way the roots help the plant? Roots grow in the ground of the plant. So you know that roots always grow in the ground and supply both water and minerals. Yes, the water which is present in the underground and the minerals also dissolved in the water and supplied to the plant by roots only. They expand in the ground in order to absorb water. So these roots expand so that they can absorb water, okay, and give to the remaining parts, and they also anchor the plant. They fix the plant. The roots fix the plant down to the earth, into the ground for stability, So once again I repeat, roots grow in the ground of the plant and supply both water and minerals to the plant. They expand in the ground in order to absorb water, and they also anchor the plant into the ground. They fix the plant into the ground for stability. Third question, name the part of the plant which prepares food. Children, you know that in which part of the plant prepares food? In which part of the plant prepares food? Means yes, leaf. The leaf takes the sunlight. The leaf utilizes the carbon dioxide and water and chlorophyll, which is a green color substance, and prepare food by a process called as photosynthesis. That is why leaf is called food factory. The leaves prepare food for the plant and it's also called as food factory. Okay. Children, you see, now see the fourth one. Name two types of roots. So what are the two types of roots, children? One is fibrous root and second one is tap root. So the two types of roots are, one is fibrous root, second one is tap root. Next one, write three functions of stem. So what are the functions of stem? First one, it holds the plant upright. The three functions of the stem are, yes, it keeps the plant upright, straight. It carries water and mineral salts. So what the stem will carry? The water and mineral salts from roots to all the body parts of a plant. And it bears leaves, buds, flowers and fruits. So it bears. The leaves are present to the stem, flowers, buds and even fruits. So the three functions are, it holds the plant upright. It carries water and mineral salts from roots to all the parts of a body of a plant, and it bears leaves, buds, flowers and fruits. Okay. Children, see the sixth question. What are the types of plants? Explain them. So we have learned there are so many types of plants. Okay. Right from small grasses to large trees. So here the main answer is, the main types of plants are shrubs, children, herbs, climbers, creepers and water plants. First of all, see the shrubs. Shrubs are hard. So here the shrubs are hard and thin stem plants. Hard and thin stems, children. These shrubs will contain, yes, the stem is hard but it is thin. Example, bougainvillea, rose, etc. Next, herbs. Next is herbs. See here, herbs are small plants with weak and soft stems. This is hard and thin stems. Here herbs are weak and soft stems. Example, mint, tulasi. Mint, tulasi. Next one is climbers, children. Next one is climbers. These climbers cannot stand straight. They climb on the wall or to the other plants. They have thin and weak stems, children. So climbers cannot stand straight, they have thin and weak stems. Example, money plant, grapevine. Example is money plant, grapevine. Creepers spread and grow on ground. These spread and grow on ground, very weak stems. They have very weak stems and cannot stand erect, and cannot stand erect. They can't stand erect like climbers, children. Example is watermelon, cucumber. So here these are the 4 types, and the 5th type is water plant. What is the 5th type? Water plant. Children, now see the water plants. So herbs, shrubs, creepers, climbers, water plants. These water plants grow in water and have soft stems, children. They have soft stems. Example, yes, lotus, water lily. Now see the 7th question, define shrubs. Shrubs consist of small bushes, children. They have very small bushes and have hard and thin stems. These shrubs consist of the stems which are very hard and thin. They have many branches, children, and they grow close to the ground. So here shrubs consist of small bushes and have hard and thin stems, children. Example is bougainvillea, rose, cotton. Example is bougainvillea, rose, cotton, etc. Okay, children, now you see the oral questions. That is B. Fill up the blanks. Fill up the following blanks using the clue kit. So this is a higher order thinking questions, children. That is hard. First one, the clue kit is there. Flowers, water, upwards, creepers, leaf, and cuticle. Using that clue kit, you have to fill up these blanks. First one, the dash is a storehouse of food for the plant. What is the answer, children? Yes, the leaf. The leaf is a storehouse for food for the plant. Second one, dash are the parts of a plant that is responsible for making the food. Dash are the parts of a plant that is responsible for making the food. Okay, so what are the main parts of a plant that is responsible for making the food? Yes, that is flowers. That is flowers. So flowers are responsible for making the food. How the flowers are responsible for making the food? Yes, children, how? Yes, they help in pollination. They help in pollination. Okay, next one, third one. The epidermis also secretes a waxy substance called cuticle. What is the answer? Cuticle. So second one is flowers, third one is cuticle. So this is the answer. What is the answer? Cuticle. Cuticle is the waxy substance that is released by the epidermis. Fourth one, stem holds the plant upright or upwards. Okay, so that is the answer. What is the answer? Upright. Okay, upright is the answer. Stem holds the plant upright or upwards. So this is also over. Next one, watermelon, cucumber, and pumpkin are called. Watermelon, cucumber, and pumpkin are called. Yes, children, that is creepers. So these are creepers. Watermelon, cucumber, and pumpkin are called creepers. Then what is the left out? Yes, water. Lotus and water lily are called dash plants, water plants. Why? Because they live inside the water. These are called as water plants. So once again I repeat, the leaf is a storehouse of food for the plant. Flowers are the parts of a plant that is responsible for making the food. Third one, the epidermis also secretes a waxy substance called the cuticle. Fourth one, stem holds the plant upright. Next one, watermelon, cucumber, and pumpkin are called creepers. Lotus and water lily are called as water plants. Okay, children, now see, write yes or no for the following statements. This is also higher order thinking questions. The scientific study of plants is known as botany. Yes or no? Yes. So I am writing yes here. Tap roots spread in the soil. Each tip is covered with root hairs. Yes or no? No, children. Gases enter and exit the leaf through the stomata. That is called as gases exchange. Okay, that is yes or no? Yes, through the stomata the gases will enter inside and exit outside. So it is yes. The process of a baby plant, beginning to grow is called germination. Yes or no, children? Yes. Beans, money plants, grapevine, pea plants are called thorny plants. You see, beans, money plants, grapevine, pea plants are called as thorny plants. Yes or no? No. Why? Because these plants, they do not have thorns. Cactus, opuntia are the plants, they have thorns. So these are not thorny plants. So the statement is wrong. So I am writing no here. So yes, no, yes, yes, no. So first one is scientific study of plants is known as botany. Yes. Second one, tap roots spread in the soil, each strip covered with root hair. No. Gases enter and exit the leaf through the stomata. Yes or no? Yes. The process of a baby plant beginning to grow is called germination. Yes or no? Yes. Beans, money plants, grapevine, pea plants are called thorny plants. No. Okay. Children, now see the D. Give two examples of each one. So this comes under information skills. Here left side root, stem, shrubs and herbs are given. Now you have to write the vegetables which comes from roots, vegetables which comes from stem, vegetables which comes from shrubs, vegetables which comes from herbs. Children, carrots and turnips are the vegetables which comes from roots. Lady's finger and drumsticks are the vegetables which comes from stem. Tomato and beans are the vegetables which comes from shrubs. Spinach and brinjal are the vegetables which comes from herbs. Okay, children? Children, now it is also information skills. Arrange the given plants as herbs, shrubs and trees. The plants are there: neem, wheat, maize, tulsi, rose plant, green onion, Next one is mango, beans, grapevine, cucumber. Mango, beans, grapevine and cucumber plant. Now you have to arrange the above plants. Okay, now you have to classify according to herbs, shrubs, trees. Children, first one, see the herbs. Tulsi. Tulsi is a herb, children. Tulsi is a herb. Maize is also is a herb. Okay. Wheat. Next one is wheat, children. So here, if you will observe the wheat. Okay. So this wheat, WHEAT wheat, is also a herb, and green onion is also a herb. So these are the herbs, children. Next, coming to the shrubs, here we have rose plant and beans. Okay. So what are the examples, children? Rose plant and beans. Rose plant and beans, they come under the shrubs, children. Rose plant and beans. Next one, trees. Neem is a tree. Mango is also a tree. So rose plant and here beans are the shrubs. Next one is neem. Here see, neem and mango are the trees. So what are the left out? Grapevine and cucumber. Grapevine come under climber and cucumber comes under creeper. Why? Why? Because they have weak stems. They can't stand erect. Okay. Children, now it is experimental question. Explain the process of growing a plant. Children, we have seen how the plants grow from the seed. First of all, the life cycle of a plant begins as a seed. We know that. Okay, the life cycle of a plant begins from the seed. First, what we will do, children? We have to water the seed and warm. automatically it germinates, it sprouts. What are the changes that occur after sprouting, after germinating? First one, the root pushes through the seed coat. We have seen that root pushes through the seed coat. The leaves and stem push out of the ground. The leaves and stem, what happens? They push out of the ground. That is the, okay. So here see, if you will observe, the root pushes through the seed coat, children. Fourth one, the roots of the seedling grow down into the soil and the leaves and stem push out of the ground. What happens to the roots? They grow down into the soil, the leaves and stem, yes, they push out of the ground. Fifth one, the stem and its leaves grow towards the sunlight. Why? Because light is required for the plant to perform photosynthesis. Sixth point, the leaves makes the plant's food by a process called as photosynthesis, food preparation. Seventh point, the flowers form and bloom, children. The flowers will form. Next, new seeds are formed either inside the flower or within the fruit sometimes. That comes after the flower dies. So what is that point? Here see, the flowers form and bloom. Okay, the flowers form and bloom. New seeds are formed inside the flower, 8th point, or within the fruit. That comes after the flower dies. Okay, so new seeds will be formed after the flower or from the fruit, and after the formation of new seed, the flower dies. 9th point, the seeds are scattered, okay, are dispersed and wait to start growing. So this is the experimental question, children. Okay. Children, now it is fill in the blanks with the help of clues given. The clues are given, children, here: photosynthesis, chlorophyll, water, food, energy, soil, transpiration, minerals, oxygen, nutrients. So first one, start with C, no? Yes. So what is the letter with C here? Yes, chlorophyll. CHLOROPHYLL. Okay, children, that is the first one. Second one, actually A is there. So in these letters, okay, where is the A in the second letter? In the second letter, where is the A? Yes, water. So you just take one left, WATER, water. This is the second one. This is the first one. Now go for the third one, children. Third one, where is the R in the second letter? Where is the R in the second letter? Yes, transpiration. TRANSPIRATION. So this is the third one. Let's go for the fourth one. This B skip. Fourth one, see here. See, children. What is the third letter in the O? O. Where is the third letter? In this which word? O. In which word, children? O. Yes, food. FOOD, food. Now let's go for the fifth one, children. Fifth one, see. Where is the second letter N in the word? N. Energy. ENERGY. Leave the D. Coming to the sixth one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Where is the fifth letter I in the word? I. Fifth letter. Yes, nutrients. 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 Coming to the seventh one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Where is the fifth? See, children, where is the fifth letter? O. And this is the biggest one. You can take biggest word with the biggest box. You can take this one also. Okay. So, and you can take O 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth letter O in the word photosynthesis. 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 Ninth one, children. 1, 2, 3. Third letter I. Third letter I. Yes, soil. Very small. SOIL, small. Last one. What is the left out one? Minerals. MINERALS. Okay. MINERAL, and one more here. Yes, minerals. Okay, children. Minerals. See, children. So these are the different words, children. So here eighth one oxygen is there, eighth one oxygen. Okay, OX, where is the second letter? X, oxygen. OXYGEN, oxygen. And last one is minerals, last one is minerals. Okay, MINERALS, minerals. Okay, so those are the different words we have filled. If you take the the clues here, CARBONDIOXIDE. What is this, children? What is this? Yes, this is carbon dioxide. What is this, children? This is carbon dioxide. Okay. So this is how we can fill. Okay. Children, now see the H. Label the parts on the diagram given below and fill in the blanks. Now you have to label, children. Okay. So label the parts. So what are the parts in the diagram? So if you will see here, now label the parts that are there in the given diagram. Okay. So here if you will observe, so plant gives heat, light and energy from the. So what is the first one? See H. Label the parts. Label the parts on the diagram. On the diagram given below. Label the parts on the diagram given below and fill in the blanks. And fill in the blanks. And fill in the blanks. This is communication, children. So here, what is the part here? Children, it's very easy. First one is sun, children. So you have like this, no? This is a, see children, this is a rough diagram drawing. This is a, okay, what is this part? This is a, what is this, children? This is sun. Okay, what is that? That is sun. And second one, stem. If you will see, children, this is stem, children. This is a stem. And next one, that is leaf. So you have this part also, no? You see, children, this part also you have, no? So this is leaf. This is leaf. Okay. Next one. Children, now see. After labeling, let's go for the fill in the blanks. Plants get heat, light and energy from the. What is this answer, children? Yes, sun. From the sun. Next one. The green colors of plants is chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is the green color part. It helps plant make dash and dash. Sugar and oxygen. What is that, children? Sugar and oxygen. So that is the green color part which helps in making food material. Third one. Plants take in carbon dioxide through their leaves, children. What is that answer? Leaves. So through their leaves. And last one. Plants take in water and minerals through their roots. The left out one is only roots, no? So through their roots. Once again I repeat this, fill in the blanks, children. Plants get heat, light and energy from the sun. Green color of plants is chlorophyll. Chlorophyll helps plants make sugar and oxygen. Plants take in carbon dioxide through their leaves. Plants take in water and minerals through their roots. Okay. Children, next one is time to do project work. Visit your school garden. Children, you have school garden now. Visit your school garden. Observe the growing plants. You will be observing so many plants like small herbs, shrubs and even trees also. Collect 5 in this project. What you have to do? collect 5 different types of flowers. You have to collect 5 different types of flowers and press them between the folds of a newspaper. So you have to press the different types of plants, okay, flowers, not plants, flowers, okay. So you have to visit the school garden, you have to collect 5 different types of flowers and you have to press in between the folds of a newspaper. After they are dried and pressed, paste these in your scrapbook. So after you have to dry that and press that, and next one you have to paste it in a scrapbook, 5 different types of flowers. Color the pictures and label them. Next one you have to color the pictures like this and label them 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 different types of flowers you have to collect and you have to press them between the folds of a newspaper, dry them and paste it in the scrapbook and label the parts. Next one, life skills is there. No, there are number of things in the nature which are very precious to us. Precious means very valuable. There are number of things, but most of us misuse those things. We won't use the precious things properly. We will misuse. So which of following you think you should not do to save nature? Cross out the one. So which of the following you think you should not do to save the nature? So what you should not do to save the nature? Pluck the leaves of the plants in the park. Is that right one, children? Cross that. Dig away the soil from the roots of a big trees. So dig away the soil from the roots. Is that right? Cross. Litter the park with waste plastic things. Cross that. Plant the trees in surrounding areas. You have to do. Don't cross that. Burn the dry leaves in the park. Burn the dry leaves in the park. Is that right, children? Okay. So these are the life skills. Okay. Burn the dry leaves in the park. We should not burn the dry leaves in the park. Okay. So this is also cross. So which of the following you think you should not do to save the nature? Cross out the one. So which of the following you think you should not do to save nature? Pluck the leaves of a plants in the park. Will you do, children? Will you pluck the leaves of the plants in the park? Will you do that? So that is you should not do. So which of the following you should not do? So you should not do this one. So this is the right one. So which of the following you think you should not do to save the nature? So we should not do plucking the leaves. We should not do dig away the soil. We should not do. So you have to cross all these things. Why? Because we should not do all these things to save the nature. We should plant the trees. That is the right mark. The remaining things are wrong mark. You should not pluck the leaves of a plants. You should not dig away the soil from the roots. You should not litter the park. You should not burn the dry leaves. Okay. So that is the crossing. You should cross the first one. You should not do that one. Cross. So plant the trees in the surrounding area is the right one. Plant the trees. So that is the thing. So you have to plant the trees. So this is the life skills and the above one is the project work. Okay, children. Thank you.